Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Skullcandy Dime. And to do this we'll need to open a case, remove both of the earbuds. Now you might wait till they power on automatically, but in my case it never happens for some reason, so we'll need to power them on manually by holding these buttons on them. You can see that the LED lamp starts flashing. Now what we need to do is to double press a button and then start holding it on one of the earbuds, or let's try it on both of them just in case. Now you can see this LED lamps flashing, and that means factory reset was successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.